airplane's level, we establish a rate of speed, and we're going to start a roll. And right now I'm on the rudder just to make sure that you saw the nose come up. Did you see the nose come up? And the nose come up there. That's the rudder doing.
Smooth.
That,
That's
right?
rudder.
That's rudder. And that was almost no elevator in that maneuver. That was just rudder keeping the nose up. Now the goal is to have the thing flat when you do this. So as you're flying along and you're going to get the airplane to go flat, again, we're going to start the roll, but this time we're not going to let that nose move around, right? We're going to let that keep a horizontal line. So, but that is a coordinated maneuver at that point, which is going to require rudder and elevator both. Now, a lot of guys will just come along and they'll center up and they're going to do a roll. And all they do is they just bang the stick over. Okay? Now, you notice the nose dropped? Yeah. I did nothing. All I did was bang the stick over. Now, that was my full rate, my full normal flying rate. That's all the aileron speed I have on my normal flying rate. Now, let me give you my high rate aileron and give you a view of that, of what the difference is there. So we're flying along and I bang the stick. See the difference? Okay. Now I'm going to give you my spin rate aileron. Can you see how much faster that was? And the problem you have is the faster you roll, the harder it is to get the wings level. So here's a full roll and get it to stop level, right? So that wasn't level when it stopped. You see the rate difference there. We'll go back to my normal flying rate. Now, one of the things that you can do to practice is to do a bunch of rolls. And what I tell people, if you want to learn how to do rolls, come along and just go ahead to start with and pull the nose up so you feel good, right? Bang the stick over and let the airplane roll. Now I'm not doing anything but just letting it roll now, right? And you notice it sort of did this arc, right? So our goal here is we want to get the airplane so that if you take that, just pull the nose up, make yourself comfortable. You're not going to hit the ground, and I'm going to start putting an elevator where it needs it. And you notice that the airplane is just like this roll and roll and roll and roll, right? So we'll start looking at those ideas. Now, if you want to take that one step further, you can start controlling where you roll that airplane. So you start doing rolls. Here's elevator rolls. And if I want to steer the airplane out, I can steer the airplane out. And basically, what are we doing? We're doing a big circle out here, but the airplane is just rolling, right? And all I'm using is elevator. That's it. I'm just pumping the elevator. If I want it to go straight, I just got to get the timing back so it would go straight. And so that's one of the things you can start to work on. Do them high. Do them like I did. That's plenty high. You don't have to do anything but just aileron. Right to left? Okay. Now, that was my normal flying rate at that point. Something that's relatively controlled.
Ailerons and elevators.
Yeah, ailerons and elevators. So I'll hold the transmitter up while I do this time so you guys can see it. All right. So here we go. So if we're going to do this, we're going to start a roll. I'm just going to do a circle because it requires more input from the computer. The timing though is what it takes to do that. So the thing about that is that is just aileron and elevator to do that. There's nothing else required. And that's timing. What you got to do is when it gets upside down, you bump the down. When it gets right side up, you bump the up. Back and forth. So that's what we're doing. So we want to do shark?
Yes.
Okay, so a couple ways to do a shark is we're going to come along and we're going to pull the airplane up to a vertical line, hold it. We're going to pull the airplane over to a 45, hold it, do a half a roll, hold it, and then pull out. Now the radiuses are all supposed to be the same on that. Now the opposite way of doing that is to pull up on a 45, do a half roll, hold it, and make this sharp on the top and sharp on the bottom. So we look at two different kinds of sharks to it. And basically it's no different when you look at it